Tonight I'm doing that Maplewood smoked center cut pork chops with a veggie kebab. That's off of that mountain Maplewood I got out in the woods. I think it's gonna be good. All I did was salt and pepper it. I made the kebab stick out of a cottonwood stick. It's the second thing that I found that cottonwood's good for, I guess. And that is putting your veggies on that stick. So, other than that, it's not worth much. And it's worth shade after the cotton and the sticky leaf holes are gone. But that's about it. Sucks a lot of water out of the ground. Just camp a little bit. That's what matters right there. The smoke has a really definite maple smell to it. Smells awesome. This is going to be freaking awesome. This stuff is like campfire cologne. It's going right in my face. But man, it smells awesome. They can make campfire cologne. Center cut pork steaks are done. I'm gonna take them off the grill. The kebab's done also. I'm gonna place them on a piece. A couple fishing regulations pages. I'm gonna use my fingers. And I'm gonna cut it with a knife, but I'm gonna use my fingers to eat it with. Look at that. Look at that. God, look at that. Oh my God. This is just right, man. Every bit of it. That smoke flavoring in it is bar none. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at that. That's freaking awesome, man. My God. It's really too bad that the way I live, I can only have this at the temperatures it's getting right now. Like 3 days in a cooler. You know, meat. And this is pork. And this has only been in the cooler 1 day. And that's about as far as I'd take that. Raw anyway. But this is awesome. There's my cottonwood stick kebab. Everything's got this really good maple flavoring. It's really good that you would expect out of Maplewood, of things that have been smoked with Maplewood. I mean, really, all you ever hear about being smoked with maple is basically bacon. I gave a lot of my wood away, so I'm gonna have to go back out in the woods to go get some because I don't think it grows down this low. This is 5,000 feet elevation. No, I haven't seen it yet. If I do, I'm collecting up the dead and hope it ain't too dead. That was the perfect thing about where I got that wood. It was a year old, so it turned out mighty good wood. Man, this is a great meal. Man, it is. Let's taste one of these mushrooms. First time. There's definitely a really good combination with these baby portobellos and maple smoke. These pork chops are, this is the thing to have with it, I'd say. Maybe not a steak, but definitely a pork chop. Definitely. The reason I'm using fishing regulations paper is because I don't have any plates. As you may have already seen or figured out. That might have changed somewhere down the line. One plate. A lightweight one. It would definitely make me do this more often. Waylon is going to get some. He's underneath over here. There's two of them. I can't eat both them things. Good if I put it in the cooler, but that may be what happens to it. I don't know. Just cut out a good piece. And say goodbye. This is definitely the way to go. Well, I'm done. Clean my fishing regulations paper. Empty kebab. Lit clean knife. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. I'm going to take my chuck steak off the grill and another cottonwood kebab done over mountain maple. I have my chuck steak and my kebab, my cottonwood kebab, on 2 more pages of Idaho fishing regulations. And I will say this, it's 4 pages total that I don't really need. So that I will say. The rest of the book I'll use for fire starter. But I also know the information in them. So holy crap. That's good too. But I will say this. It's not as good as the center cut pork chops. Red bell pepper's the same, you know. But so anyway, also have my nacho cheese Doritos, of course. And my favorite soft drink, Sunkist. If I can't have Sunkist, I'll drink DP, Dr. Pepper. Well, I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of my meal. Y'all have a good day.